So, hello guys, today will be a really boring video, only for the hardcore guys. So I'm building or I'm improving my balloon or my transformer box. There was a transformer and a choke, and now I'm using only the choke. So I made the housing smaller and I also added a connector. And this is what I came up with. So this slides here in. I have here one. This place is for the shield, connecting the shield, and then this on the top slides over this like this. With the second one now I can't. There's a little bit of protection. And now I need only to wait for a new printed part of this. I like this. So I only need to 3D print this part again with the top. The part, and this I will 3D print also with this housing. These two parts will be 3D printed and then I will finish this. So next day, and I printed these two parts. This is now the same part like this here, but with the closing here. So, and let's mount it. this was it, guys. Here, this is the holder for the rod. Not the rods, the pole. So this is my last carbon fiber element. This slides here in, and this is how it's mounted. So this was it, guys. A BalUn box or a transformer box finished. Maybe one more screw here to add. With the time, it's always visible what can be improved, just by testing it in the field. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.